So today we officially moved into our new home and we after packing everything we decided to make something. My husband went to the market and bought some okra and everything we needed to make it. And here I'm just prepping everything and getting things ready so that we can cook and eat because there are some people that came to help us pack in and arrange stuffs and they would need to eat and we also need to eat. Everybody was hungry. So I'm just preparing or getting the things we need to prepare this soup ready so that my husband can cook for us. So very soon you guys are going to see the video of how we when we looked for a house or when we found our house. We've been looking for a new home for about 2 months now, and finally we found what we needed because we've been seeing different houses, ugly houses, expensive, beautiful houses, but finally we've found what fits our budget and also was nice for us. After painting and everything, we then packed in. This place looks really nice. Just stay tuned to this channel and you're going to see the video of our new home, maybe the few full video and some videos where when we were washing and getting things ready to pack into our new home. This place is really, really, really beautiful and simple. We are just a family of three, about to be four, but it's really, really okay and comfortable for us right now. And when things are better, we are going to move into a better place. So I'm just getting things ready. We were also gisting while I was doing these things.
Of this family, we are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach, let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. And no matter what it flows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. We are the Marvel's family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach, let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. And no matter what it feels, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. We are never Marvel's family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach, let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows.
So after prepping these things, my husband was the one that cooked the soup, and this soup tasted so delicious. This man can cook, and I did the eba or semo. Thank you for watching.